Aloha folks, I want to point out something of major concern, and it's because I'm the direct neighbor to it, and I don't think that my whole community has been involved in making these decisions. So we're talking about the Olowalu dump site. But there's an area right here where they're talking about the temporary deposition site is what they call it. I believe it is 4.7 acres total for that temporary site. We also see that's right with it, and what we see that they're doing construction on right now already is also their permanent suggestion for a permanent site. So they definitely have it well within their bandwidth to make this a permanent site is what it looks like. I'm not trying to bash anybody, but we need serious public meeting about this. On Wednesday, there's a meeting at the Civic Center. That's the folks that are in charge of this are actually going to be there. And if you have concerns of this, I would highly recommend that we all show up to make this happen. This is from the Highways Department where they're starting to test some of the known groundwater. And if you look at this, you can see where the groundwater is. Here is the actual dump site. This area that you see here is the old dump area, and it was supposed to get planting and mitigation to protect the groundwater. It does not look like they followed through with that. That's on a 1991 document that we'll make available to you. So we have concerns. This area right here, which we've shown you here for the temporary 4.7 acres, this area here, which we're going to go to and actually show you what that looks like. Just for reference, it shows the temporary spot back up in here. Look at the topography. Look how much erosion this gets. We showed you where the groundwater was running right here on both sides of it. And look at where the ocean is in proximity to it. This is all being constructed as a permanent site. Now, if you guys have not picked this as the permanent site already, how come you're already sticking millions of dollars into building it? That's a question we need to ask. We need to look at why is this so important? Let's talk about the toxins. We don't see any reports on dioxin. We don't see any reports on furan. According to the EPA, dioxins are considered to be the most toxic man-made substance and the fifth most toxic naturally occurring compound known to man. So out of 21 hazardous waste sites that are on the mainland, only 8 of them are actually certified to deal with these type of toxins. So let's just look at this and ask ourselves, what needs to be done to this site to make it compliant like those 8 sites are on the mainland? What did they have to do to be the certified site to take this toxic material? How far are we from achieving that goal? And is the plan that they put in place in the same parameters of what their protocol would be on one of these 8 sites?